mission station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Nicole Cloutier-Lemasters. On board the station, preparations are underway for a spacewalk scheduled for Monday. Cosmonauts Oleg Kotov and Sergei Ryazanskiy will venture outside the ISS to reinstall a pair of high-fidelity cameras on the station's Russian segment. The cameras were initially installed during a spacewalk in December, but had to be brought back inside for maintenance. To follow the spacewalk live, log on to nasa.gov/ntv. Coverage will begin at 7:30 a.m. Central on Monday. Flight engineer Mike Hopkins continued his participation in the energy experiment this week, which, as the name implies, takes a look at how much energy astronauts use during long-duration spaceflight. A special mask is used to measure oxygen uptake, and results from the study will contribute to crew health and performance, and will also ensure that crew members are getting the proper amount of food and exercise. Well, this definitely isn't the ant farm you had in your third grade classroom. It's ants in space. The insects are part of a student experiment that's helping young scientists learn about the scientific method. Results from this research may provide insight into ant behavior or how the simple actions of individuals add up to complex group behavior. And that can help create mathematical procedures for solving complex human problems, like traffic routing, scheduling air travel, and telecommunications efficiency. And from Twitter this week, @PropNose asks, how many times do we reboost the space station? Great question. The space station is reboosted about once a month, and we need to do it for a number of different reasons. Sometimes we need to make up for the atmospheric drag that slowly tries to pull the ISS back to Earth. Other times, the space station's orbit must be adjusted to prepare for the arrival or departure of vehicles, and reboosts are also performed to steer the space station away from space debris. Many times, one reboost will take care of several of these things. Now let's hear from you. Keep the questions coming using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.